Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today I will show you how to set your screen timeout to infinity on Android device. So first of all, go to your settings. In display, I'm gonna show you how much you can set. Here in the screen timeout settings, you see there are only a limited number of options like 15, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2, 5 and 10 minutes. 10 minutes is the maximum limit, but I have set it to 1 minute. If you want a shorter time, you can select 15 seconds or 30 seconds. But what if you want to do more than 10 minutes? You want to set to infinity. So here is this app. The app called Caffeine comes into place. Go to your Google Play Store and download Caffeine app. I will provide the links in the description. Install this app. This app will help you keep your screen on. This is very similar to Lineage OS if you are familiar with it. But if you are using something that requires a lot of screen on time, but turning off your screen causes this to crash, so this app is pretty useful for those. I transfer a lot of large files, but I want to keep my screen on all times, but I cannot do this in my settings app, so I'm gonna be using this app for now. So if you want to use this, simply go into the link and download this on the Google Play Store or anywhere that you want to download it. Let's wait for it to finish the installation. Then I will be showing you how to use it. Let's wait for it then. And also sometimes I do not want my screen timeout time set to infinity, because when work is done I do not need it anymore, so you can set it to off later. Set it the default and you can turn this app off as well. So on this app you will see there is the timeout settings. If you open it, you are given some of the options that if you want to use. If you want to set it to infinity, variable, 5, 10, 30 minutes and 1 hour as well. I will setting it to infinity right now. You can also set a custom tile title. Let me show you how that works as well. First, I also need to set this on because I do not want it to be turned on all the times. It will deactivate after I lock my device. Very useful. Also, you need to turn off this battery optimization settings for it so it does not cause any errors. So let's search Caffeine here. It is arrived. Let's turn it off. These are the troubleshooting methods that will also, you need to turn on the compatibility mode. Very useful, works all the time. You can also use title only if you want, but I do not recommend that you use that. I will turning it off. So exclude from recent is very useful. This will help the app to not turn itself off and will be running in the background at all times. Okay, now it is done. These are some about section and nothing else. So let me show you how the tile works. Go into your this menu, quick setting or quick toggle menu. In the button order you will see there is a new tile, Caffeine. I'm gonna drag and drop it here and show you how this works. Now Caffeine is off and the timeout setting is set to infinity. When I turn this on, Caffeine is on and my screen timeout settings is set to infinity right now. But let me show you something else. If you long press on it, the app will open. For example, I'm showing you right now. If you are using another app, say I'm using settings right now, but I want to set the time to infinity, so just long press on it and the app will open instantly. And also I'm gonna be setting it to variable for now. I mean always setting to variable. Now you can see I can set timeout to the desired settings by just tapping on it again and again. I have given many options like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, or set it to infinity. Now if you want custom title options, you can also set it to custom. Now I have my own name showing on it and I can set variables to infinity and many as much I want. This is how it's gonna work, but I do not want custom right now. I want just plain Caffeine. Long pressing on it opens the app and you can use it whenever you want. If you're using an app that requires your screen on, so you can use this and set the time as desired. Hope this helps. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.